Let's do a surface modeling and create a water tank with handle. You will see here, this is a water tank with handle. Handle we will make with 3D feature, but even surface features going to involve to create this shape. Okay, dimensions millimeter, handle pipe 3 into 0.5 mm thick. Thickness of tank material is 0.5 mm. Okay, we have one top view. You will see there is a handle. Then there is a section view A. Then there is a side view. These thickness 0.5, diameter, outer diameter 0.75, and there are two grooves, 1.5 radius. See the radius from outer side, but here the radius outer side. Okay, look, these outer side radius goes inside here because this is curve, and you will see section view. So this is a kind of let's say quarter circle or 3/4 circle, not 100% a circle. And this R2 from outside. Total length how much? Total length including thickness 1.102. So we will create with the center point. So reduce 2 millimeter and become, let's say, 105 millimeter. Then 35 make this groove. This groove radius also 1.5. There is a fillet 1.5 radius, bottom fillet R5. Okay, then we will see how we can do this handle. Front plane sketch. Now let me select line. Okay, make this line construction line. Now let me apply a circle. Okay, let's make one circle here to up to this tangent. Okay, hold shift key and select these two lines, make it construction line. Okay, let's define some. Now select this all three radius circle equal, sketch 1.5 radius, so diameter goes 3 millimeter. Okay, let's apply a height. Height goes to 105 millimeter. Enter. Distance between two, 35 millimeter. Similarly, 35 millimeter. Let's make diameter. Keep cursor outside, it will show you diameter 75 millimeter. Say okay. Now let's see the big picture. Okay. Trim entity, power trim. Just trim this one. Press and hold left mouse and drag. And see, this is going to trim. Okay. Now this shape up to like this. Okay. Again activate trim entities. Press and hold and delete this. Press and hold and drag. Delete this. Okay. Now we have one open picture. Go to surface, apply revolve surface. Now here axis of revolution, let me select this and you will see the preview. By default angle 360 and direction 1 keep blind. See, now let's apply here fillet. Constant type, tangent propagation, symmetric and radius 1.5, and let me select this face. So no need to choose edges, it will apply and both. And now let me select bottom, and here see one option multi radius fillet, circular profile. Now upper keep same, but this lower one, click and here apply 5, enter. Okay, see, this is 5 millimeter, this is 1.5. Now thickness how much? 0.5. Thicken, apply here 0.5, and see thickness going to add from inside, and from here you will see outside. Keep direction one side. Okay, if I am going to see section view, okay, look, see. Now it's time to handle also we need to create with the help of let's say surface feature. Okay, now you will see this view is actually, see the location is not center, this is little away from here, center to center distance, but actual dimensions we will apply at center. So you will see there is a dotted line, 35, 10 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 1.5 from outer surface, see. Then there is a bottom line 10 millimeter, radius 2R5, this 2R5, come down, radius R10, and from bottom 10, and from here to here 10 millimeter for this shape. This shape how we will achieve, see there is a center distance 5 and bottom distance 15. Let's see how we will achieve. There is a one trick. See, we have to create in circular direction angle 18 degree, and remember this 21.58. Okay, let me choose here front plane, sketch. Now let me select center line. Okay, activate line, not center line, directly activate line. Exit. Now make sure line is vertical, horizontal. Okay, smart distance. Distance from this outer 1.5, 10 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 35 millimeter. Distance from upper edge 10 millimeter. Okay, similarly come down. These length 10, then distance from here to bottom edge, bottom surface 15. Okay, and this is also make in one line. Let me connect. And select this vertical. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. See, this is going to. Now select this upper one construction line. Draw one center line because I want to use revolve feature. Vertical center line. Apply here surface revolve. Now axis of revolution, select this. And here angle, mid plane, and angle how much? 18 degree. Now you will see the preview. Now see, this one is small. We have to achieve. Okay. Now select these 2 points. And see at bottom distance 21.59. Similarly, let me select these 2 points. See 12.2. I am going to little increase. Extend surface. Distance 4.8, same surface, not linear, same surface. Now here select to edge. See, this is going to increase here. This is going to increase here. Say okay. Okay. Now let's check 21. Okay, this is enough for us. Let me select right plane, normal view, and see, even if you see, look, the shape is perfectly aligned with this. Okay, see, there is a dotted line. Now go to planar surface, select this and this, combine it. Okay, now you will see there are many bodies. See, there are 3 surface body. Let me choose knit, select this all bodies and make it one body. Knit, gap control, okay. Now see here only one body. Okay, let me apply surface, right plane, sketch. I want to give some shape here. Activate line. Okay, make this center line. From this end to here. Now select both the line, construction line and main line, mirror entity. Now 3-point arc, and here we have a catch. One first point, second point, third point. Third point must coincide tangent with this outer edge, because this is then only our requirement going to fulfill. This center distance given 5. Okay, these outside we will trim. How? Go to surface, apply here trim surface. Now tool activated, remove selection, keep cursor and see orange, select. This orange select. Okay, natural split. Okay, look. See. Now fillet. Constant type, apply multi-radius fillet. Let me select edges. Now these two we selected multi-radius, so bottom two are 10 millimeter. Double click 10, enter. Here also select 10, enter. See, these two are bigger and these two are 5 millimeter. Apply, yes, look. Now we will use this outer edge to create. Now do one thing. I am going to create 3D sketch. Better. Okay, let me select this. Right click, select tangency, convert entity. See. Now go to feature, apply swift boss base, circular profile, and 3 millimeter diameter. And here at come thin feature, thickness 0.5. But see, thickness flowing outside, reverse, make it inside. Uncheck merge result, because this pipe is different body. Say okay. Now go to direct editing, delete body and select this surface, delete. Done. We done. Now if you see how this is perfectly aligned with this. A very small, a tiny gap, and you can full with welding. For view, cast steel, Let's apply this color. Okay, now let me select these two faces. Chromium brush. Again double click and you will get the result. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.